Hey, how's your morning?
It's going well, just had coffee.
Nice, I'm still waking up.
Haha, take your time.
What's on your agenda today?
Work and then gym, you?
Same, work first. Let's catch up later.
For sure, talk soon.
By the way, did you hear about the new cafe opening?
Yes, I passed by it yesterday. Looks cool.
We should check it out this weekend.
Sounds like a plan.
Awesome, I'll message you Saturday.
Perfect, looking forward to it.
By the way, did you hear about the new cafe opening?
Yes, I passed by it yesterday. Looks cool.
We should check it out this weekend.
Sounds like a plan. I heard they have amazing pastries.
Ooh, I'm sold already. I love pastries.
Same here, I'm craving a good croissant.
Me too, and their coffee is supposed to be top notch.
Can't go wrong with good coffee. What time do you want to go?
How about Saturday morning around 10?
That works for me. I'm usually up early on weekends.
Great, I'll set a reminder.
I'll make sure to save room for all the pastries.
Haha, same here. Let's make it a mini brunch.
Yes, and after maybe we can walk around the park nearby.
That sounds perfect. It'll be a nice, relaxing Saturday.
Agreed, I'm really looking forward to it now.
Me too. I'll text you Saturday morning too. Confirm.
Great, see you then.
Oh, and remind me too. Bring that book you wanted to borrow.
Yes, thanks for remembering. I've been wanting to read it for ages.
It's a great read. You'll love it.
Can't wait, I'll probably finish it in a week.
You're such a fast reader.
Haha, I get hooked easily. Do you have any other book recommendations?
Definitely, I'll bring a few suggestions.
Awesome. By the way, have you started watching that new series we talked about?
Not yet. Is it worth it?
Totally, the storyline is amazing and the characters are so well written.
Okay, I'll start it tonight.
Let me know what you think. We can discuss it over coffee.
Deal, it'll give us something extra to talk about.
For sure. Oh, and I almost forgot my birthday's coming up next week.
That's right, any plans to celebrate?
Just a small dinner with friends. You're coming, right?
Of course, wouldn't miss it for the world.
Yay, it's going to be fun. I'll send you the details later.
Can't wait. Let me know if you need help with anything.
Will do. Thanks, you're the best.
Always, alright, I better get back to work now.
Same here. Talk to you later.